feel like being a female founder in this space is actually part of my superpower. E-commerce has really been a male-dominated industry. When you look at the titans of success, you have female standouts like a Natalie Massenet of Net-a-Porter, but it's largely been men who have dominated e-commerce, despite it being majority women who are shopping online. LTK is just transforming the way that people shop, based on our own experiences as females who go shopping online. Being a user myself and being user number one has really allowed me to guide the product in a way that people who aren't in my professional position wouldn't be able to do. One of the things I think is amazing about this year and where we sit is that not only do we get a seat at the table, when there's not a woman at the table, people are often looking around asking where she is. The biggest success with LTK is actually just building what we set out to do. So we've been on a mission to make creators as economically successful as possible. That was not something that existed when we started. And now we've come into an era where not only is it respected, it's admired, it's something people try to achieve to become a creator, but also there's a future here. We have now almost 200 creators who are what we call LTK millionaires. They have earned more than $1 million on the LTK platform, but that's not really the only measure of success.
But again, very, very flexible.
You double click down from that, and what you see is people who are leaning in to support their family, whether that is through supplemental income or through just now having a full-time job that gives them flexibility. My advice to any younger girl or my younger self would just be launch, start, go, do. The difference between you and so many other people is actually going to be that you actually did launch. Think about all the times that you sit around at the dinner table or with your friends or you're thinking of ideas. Like, everyone has ideas. And I think that one of my favorite kind of memes is, the idea is free, but the hustle is sold separately.